me again, Tilly the Nutter. Now then, this is not prawn satay. Just to be clear about that, satay means skewered meat, and there's no skewering going on, so it's just delicious king prawns in a wonderfully spicy peanut sauce. Let's make the sauce. So I'll start with the sauce. I've got a tablespoon of oil in my pan. I'm going to add in 1 small chopped onion and 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And I'll just stir fry these for about 3 minutes. The onion's starting to go brown at the edges, so I'm going to add in 1 lemongrass stalk, which I finely chopped, 4 red birdseye chillies, finely chopped, and a teaspoon of green curry paste. Mix and sizzle for another couple of minutes. I'm going to turn the heat right down, add in 250 ml of coconut milk, about 1 inch of cinnamon, 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. You can add crunchy or smooth. I'm using smooth. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, splosh, splosh, the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Now mix it all carefully. Bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. If it looks like it's skinning a bit, don't worry, just stir it in. It's cooked. In a separate pan, heat a tablespoon of oil over a medium heat and add in 240 grams of jumbo king prawns, raw of course, and Tesco's finest. Now we'll cook these for a couple of minutes until they turn pink. Yep, once they've gone nice and pink, add them into the peanut sauce, give it a good stir, and then serve. Garnish with spring onion, red chilli and coriander leaves. Serve with jasmine rice. Now it's quite possible that you might not serve all of the sauce up. You'll certainly serve all the prawns up, but that's okay because you can do what I do and put any extra sauce in a little bag and stick it in the freezer. Rock hard. Remember, this is not king prawn satay. Join me next time in my busy kitchen. Until then, ha!